2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then some of rosemary leaves, and then 1 teaspoon and half of salt, then 1 teaspoon of black pepper, lemon juice, 1 whole. You can use 1 whole. Yeah, mix together all ingredients. Ayan na po, binalat na po natin ng plastic at nilalagay po natin sa refrigerator. Mamaya natin po isasala mga after 2 to 3 hours.